Okay, welcome everybody to Little Shop Breaks number 12. Tonight we're bringing you 16-17 Upper Deck 5-box mixer, which will include 4 boxes of 16-17 Upper Deck Trilogy and 1 box of 16-17 Upper Deck Black Diamond. This is a team random event. At the end of the break, we will be giving away 1 free box of 16-17 Trilogy Hockey to 1 lucky participant. That will be done at the very end of the break, and that box will be broken for that individual on Breakers Live as well. And then we'll send you out the hits as your bonus. So here we go. So this break was advertised through our LSOH Facebook page, and people were able to buy spots through here. And this was advertised throughout several Facebook groups and forums. So we're going to go ahead and grab our list, which we've already copy and pasted into random.org, and we're going to randomize this list 3 times. We have Jeffrey Griffith on top, and at the very bottom we have Jonathan Brooks. Alright, so we're going to randomize this list 3 times, put you into a spreadsheet, then we're going to randomize the teams 3 times as well, and assign you a team. So good luck everybody, and here we go. Random number 1. We have 30 items in our list. Jeffrey still on top and Matt Teisch on the bottom. Just want to make sure that's clear for everybody to see. And 2 more times. 2. We have Paul Method on top and Kent Wong on the bottom. And the final last random for participants, we have Panos A on top and Sam Loretta on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this list into our spreadsheet. And for anybody new to the forum, our spreadsheet does remain on the Breakers channel video feed, so you can see what teams you have. All right, next we have all 30 NHL teams, starting with Anaheim on top and Winnipeg on the bottom. This list will also be randomized 3 times, and then we will assign you a team on the spreadsheet as well. So good luck everybody. Here we go. 1. We have 30 items in this list with Calgary on top and Vancouver on the bottom. 2. We have Ottawa on top and Colorado on the bottom. And one last final random. We have Boston on top and Edmonton on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this list and pair it up with the participants, and then we will go over our team assignments. Okay, so there you have it, folks. So those are our pairings. So we're just quickly going to go over these with you guys before we start the break. So in spot number 1, we have Panos A with Boston. Spot 2, we have Paul Method with New York Islanders. Spot 3, Amit with Buffalo. Spot 4, Jason Newton with Carolina. Spot 5, Bob Mitchell with Minnesota. Spot 6, Blair Johnson with New York Rangers. Spot 7, Matt Teisch with Ottawa. Spot 8, Jason Newton with Pittsburgh. Spot 9, Chris Wepler with Chicago. Spot 10, Bob Mitchell with Philadelphia. Spot 11, Chris Wepler with Toronto. Spot 12, Kerry Fletcher with Vancouver. Spot 13, Jonathan Brooks with the Montreal Canadiens. He strikes again. Spot 14, Sam Loretta with Calgary. Spot 15, Panos A with Colorado. Spot 16, Nick Brock with Tampa Bay. Spot 17, Kent Wong with Arizona. Spot 18, Kent Wong with San Jose. Spot 19, Tyler DeWeer with Los Angeles. Spot 20, Jeffrey Griffith with Winnipeg. Spot 21, Michael Dallaire with Nashville. Spot 22, Jonathan Brooks with New Jersey. Spot 23, Mark Carson with Anaheim. Spot 24, Jason Newton with Dallas. Spot 25, Nick Brock with Detroit. Spot 26, Adam Coombs with St. Louis. Spot 27, Ewan Murray with Columbus. Spot 28, Tyler DeWeer with Washington. Spot 29, Stephen Morris with Florida. And spot 30, Sam Loretta with Edmonton. So those are your assignments, folks. We'll give you a few minutes for some trades. Good luck, everyone. So Michael is offering Nashville for trade. So Tyler DeWeir, Kent is proposing Zona for Washington. Okay, so Kent and Tyler, just give me the A-OK, and we'll mark that as a good trade. Okay. Okay, good stuff, guys. So we have the Yotes for the Capitals. So we've got Sam in the mix. Calgary or Edmonton is up for Toronto. Stephen Morris is proposing Florida for trade. Yeah, Sam, I'm not even sure if the owner of Toronto is even present in the chat right now. He's an in-store guy. So, okay, Kent and I'm Tyler. So, like I said, according to the spreadsheet here on the left, we've updated the changes. So, Tyler DeWeird, you are up here with Arizona. And Ken Wong, you now have Washington. Okay, guys, we're quickly going to wrap this up. Are there any more active trades going on, or are we going to get to the good stuff? Give you a couple more seconds to talk things through. If not, we have one confirmed trade. So Adam Coombs is making St. Louis available. Welcome to the channel, Adam. Do we have any St. Louis Blues takers? All right, so we still have some more active trades going on here. So and at the end of the day, that's the ultimate authority, Adam. So what's going on, Amit? Welcome, buddy. Okay, is everybody content with that time for trading? We're going to shut her down. Okay, guys, we shut her down. So like I said, we had one active trade, Arizona for Washington, which has been advised on the spreadsheet. All right, Michael, let's do this, buddy. Okay, again, welcome to Little Shop Breaks number 12. 1617 Upper Deck 5-box mixer, which includes Trilogy and Black Diamond, and a 1617 Trilogy box giveaway at the end. So here we go. We'll start off with Trilogy, and then we'll do Black Diamond last. All right, good luck, everybody, and thanks again for participating. Here we go, box 1 of Trilogy. She's factory sealed. Good to go. Good luck, everybody. Empty box. All right, pack number 1. Good luck. All right, we start off with the New York Rangers, level 2 Trilogy rookie numbered 250 out of 275 of Jimmy Vesey, level 2 Trilogy Rookie Premier's autograph for the Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. Good stuff for the Rangers. Next up, a blue for the Rangers again, numbered 709 out of 849. Henrik Lundqvist, blue for the Rangers. So far, Rangers are doing all right. All right, next up we have Trilogy Level 2 for the New Jersey Devils, numbered 229 of 275, Pavel Zacha. Pavel Zacha for the Devils. He's got the gel. Jonathan Brooks. Going up to you, Jonathan. Next up, Trilogy Rookie Premiers Level 1, numbered 225 out of 999 for the Boston Bruins, Danton Heinen. Rookie Premiers for the Bruins, Danton Heinen. Right, next up, for the Sabres, blue, numbered 282 of 849. For the Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel. Buffalo Sabres going out to a meet. So maybe try refreshing a meet if you're frozen or glitchy. Next up, for the Dallas Stars, blue, numbered 829 of 849, Jamie Benn. Jamie Benn for the Stars. Level 1 Rookie Premiers, numbered 473 out of 999 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Zach Werenski. Rookie Premiers, Level 1 for the Blue Jackets, Zach Werenski. Last pack in the first box. We have Rookie Premiers Level 1, numbered 88 out of 399 for the Montreal Canadiens. Rookie Premiers jersey of Charlie Lindgren for the Montreal Canadiens. Charlie Lindgren. All right, that completes box number 1. Box 2, here we go. Good luck, everyone. All right, continuing on, box number 2. Good luck. All right, we have a blue, number 25 out of 849 for the Nashville Predators, Philippe Forsberg for the Preds. Separate those. Is everybody still good for video and sound? That's a weird one. No cards in the back. All right, we have Trilogy jersey numbered 99 out of 108 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. Going out to Jason Newton. Also in this pack, we have a level 1 rookie premieres. Rookie premieres numbered 57 out of 999 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Nikita Soshnikov for the Leafs. Going out to Chris Wepler. That was a weird pack. Connor, man. Now this is not a bad one. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, rookie premieres level 1, numbered 179 out of 999, Austin Matthews for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Going out to Chris Wepler. Austin Matthews, level 1 rookie premieres out of 999. That's what we want to see. Why not? Because we can. Rookie premieres level 1 jersey numbered 228 out of 399 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews. The Leafs keep hitting. Chris Wepler, nice hit, buddy. All right, we have a fatty. See what we got here. All right, we'll go this way. I think I already spoiled it. We have signature pucks for the Ottawa Senators. Mike Hoffman, signature pucks for the Senators. That's going out to Matt Teich for the Sens. We have another fatty. Back-to-back fatties. All right. Here we go. Flip it around. All right, next up we have another signature pucks for the New Jersey Devils of Kyle Palmieri. Signature pucks for the Devils of Kyle Palmieri. It's weird seeing two of those in one box. Next up, we have rookie premieres level 1 for the New York Islanders, going to Paul Methot of Anthony Beauvillier. Anthony Beauvillier for the Islanders, rookie premieres level 1. And the last pack, I should say, in box 2. We have a blue numbered 608 out of 849 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Phil Kessel for the Penguins. All right, not a bad box for the Leafs. All right, continuing on, break number 12. Box number 3 of Trilogy. So good luck, everybody. All right, here we go, box 3. All right, we have a blue numbered 460 out of 849 for the San Jose Sharks, Brent Burns. Mr. Subway commercial himself, Brent Burns. The Leafs keep getting hot. Rookie premieres level 1 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, numbered 763 out of 999, William Nylander. Rookie premieres level 1 for the Leafs, William Nylander. All right, we have another die cut fatty. So we'll do it slowly here. All right, we have for Los Angeles Kings triptychs, Jonathan Quick jersey, going out to the Kings. So numbered 193 out of 249 for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick triptychs jersey. Nice little hit for the Kings. Going up to Tyler DeWeird. Packs just not opening tonight. All right, another fatty, folks. Here we go. I think I just gave it away there, but we have for the Toronto Maple Leafs signature pucks, William Nylander. William Nylander signature pucks for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Going out to Chris Wepler, who's just killing it this break. All right, next up, Trilogy Level 2 rookie auto numbered 258 of 275. Going to the Columbus Blue Jackets, Sonny Milano for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Going out to Ewan Murray with Columbus. All right, next up, rookie premieres level 1, numbered 587 of 999 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Nick Schmaltz. Going out to Chris Wepler again, just cleaning house tonight. Next up, a blue numbered 494 of 849 for the Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene. So it's got a little ding corner on the top left for the Avalanche, Matt Duchene. Going out to Panos. And finish off box 3 with a blue numbered 335 of 849 of Tyler Toffoli of the Kings. Out of 849 blue, Tyler Toffoli for the Kings. All right, on to box number 4. All right, final lost box of Trilogy. Good luck. We have level 2 rookie premieres numbered 152 of 275 for the Buffalo Sabres, Justin Bailey. Going out to a meet with the Sabres, Justin Bailey, rookie premieres. We have A level 1 rookie premieres. I believe these are the blacks. Numbered 32 of 99 for the Ottawa Senators, Thomas Chabot. Thomas Chabot rookie premieres, level 1 black. Let's go out to Matt Teisch. We have another, I believe it's a blue, 301 out of 849 for the Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Another blue, 306 of 849 for the Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf. Trilogy blue out of 849, Ryan Getzlaf. Another blue, numbered 19 out of 849 for the Florida Panthers, Jaromir Jagr. Jaromir Jagr for the Panthers. How about that guy, Connor McDavid? We have a rookie premieres level 1, numbered 612 out of 999 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Zach Werenski. Maybe we hit one of these earlier. Zach Werenski for the Blue Jackets. We have numbered 91 out of 351 for the Philadelphia Flyers, jersey, Claude Giroux for the Flyers. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Claude Giroux. Going out to Bob Mitchell. All right, the final and last pack of Trilogy, we finish off with numbered 239 of 275, level 2 Trilogy rookie premieres for the Edmonton Oilers, Jesse Puljujarvi autograph. Going out to Sam Loretta. Jesse Puljujarvi rookie premieres level 2 auto out of 275. All right, that's it for Trilogy, folks. Next up, one pack of Black Diamond. Again, sealed box, nothing going on. So good luck, everybody. And again, for anybody new in the forum that hasn't followed us and would like to do so, just click the little follow button, and I'll let you know next time we're on. Exquisite pack, real pack, nothing in the box. We'll do exquisite first. All right, we have for the Columbus Blue Jackets rookie patch, Sonny Milano. Let's see what the front looks like. So numbered 272 out of 299, exquisite collection patch, Sonny Milano. Who's got Columbus? Going out to Ewan Murray, Sonny Milano. All right, next up. We start off with Black Diamond signature placards for the Detroit Red Wings of Gustav Nyquist. Gustav Nyquist for the Red Wings autograph. Next up, Black Diamond jersey numbered 90 of 149 for the Buffalo Sabres, Ryan O'Reilly. For the Buffalo Sabres, going out to Amit. Don't say I don't give you anything, Amit. Mad love. All right. Sam, are you standing or sitting, buddy? You still around? We'll leave that for last. All right, next up, for the Pittsburgh Penguins, championship rings of Nick Bonino. Nick Bonino for the Pittsburgh Penguins, going out to Jason and Newton. These are just absolutely beautiful. Is everybody okay still for volume and video? We finish off the break with base card numbered 146 of 249, going to the Montreal Canadiens, Max Pacioretty. For the Canadiens, Max Pacioretty. All right, we'll bring this back. Going out to the Edmonton Oilers, Black Diamond rookie booklet relics of Jesse Puljujarvi, numbered 10 of 10. So I'm assuming this is going to be pretty fun. So congratulations, Sam. Here we go. Yeah, that's not bad at all. So for the Edmonton Oilers, we have Black Diamond patch relic rookie booklets, numbered 10 of 10 for the Edmonton Oilers, Jesse Puljujarvi. Absolutely stunning patch. So congratulations, Sam. Going on to the Oilers, numbered 10 of 10. All right, and that concludes the final break. Now we have a box of 16-17 Upper Deck Trilogy to give away. So the way this works, everybody that's in the break will get their name put into random.org, and the winner on top will get the box. Let's give us 2 seconds to set up. So there were no multi-team randoms, which is nice. So everybody's okay for video still? Okay, so time to give away this box. 16-17 Trilogy. I'm just going to grab all the names from the Facebook page. So we're going to grab all the names from the Facebook page and dump it into random.org. So everybody that bought in has a chance. So we've copied and pasted all the names from the Facebook group with Jeffrey on top and Jonathan Brooks on the bottom. So the list will be randomized 3 times, and the spot number 1 will be the winner of the free box. So good luck, everybody, and here we go. So we now have Matt Tyson spot number 1 with 30 items in our list, and Sam Lillard on the bottom. Random number 2, We have Jeffrey Griffith on top and Tyler DeWeird on the bottom. And one last final random for the winner. We have spot number 1, Tyler DeWeird, with the Raz winner, the way he got in. But congratulations, Tyler. One free box of Trilogy, which will be broken right now, brother. So if you want to do it, if you want to be here, we'll do it live in breakers and then give you the singles. So we have spot number 1 with Tyler DeWeird, our 16-17 Upper Deck Trilogy free box giveaway winner. All right, Ewan, thanks a lot, man. So Tyler, you still there, buddy? So congratulations on the box. So we're gonna, as per our rules, we're gonna break it live for you, and we will set aside the singles, and you can pick them up in store. Okay? So, are you still there, Tyler? Okay, buddy, this is your box. So here we go. Good luck. So for anybody just joining, this was our free box giveaway. Everything that comes out of this box belongs to T. DeWeird. It's free box giveaway win. Good luck, buddy. Empty box. Here we go. Start off with the Buffalo Sabres, but going to you, Tyler. Jack Eichel, number 2 of 81, jersey. Not a bad start. Then we have Rookie Premier's Trilogy Level 1, Braden Point, numbered 857 out of 999. Now, do you want the base cards, Tyler, or just the hits? Blue, 303 of 849, Jamie Benn. Another blue, numbered 818 out of 849, Henrik Lundqvist. Okay, so the hits and the Yotes base. What about this funky red ribbon? You want that? All right, another blue, 183 out of 849, Tyler Seguin. Tyler Seguin. Good man. We'll set the bow aside for you as well. Numbered 398 of 999, Rookie Premiers Level 1, Kyle Connor. Doesn't want to open. We have Level 1 Rookie Premiers jersey number 64. Actually, hold on a second. 364 out of 399. Sonny Milano, Rookie Premiers jersey. You gotta end up here with the bang, buddy. Good luck. I have a fatty, buddy, so good luck, my man. Gotta do nice and slow. we have a triptychs signature autographs of Denny Savard. Denny Savard, triptychs autograph. I'm gonna flip it. So I think it's one of the short prints, numbered 6 of 40. Triptych signature autograph of Denny Savard. All right, there you go, Tyler. We'll piece that out and hang on to the hits for you. Again, everybody, that's it. Another wrap in the books. Thank you for participating, and we hope to see you soon. Have a good night.